Welcome to Real Estate Unlocked, Your Questions, Our Answers. On this channel, we talk about the insider secrets every home seller needs to know. In this video, the question is about liabilities, and we have a question from Melissa. She wants to know, when I sell my house, should I put a sign in the yard? I personally don't like to put a sign in the yard for my own listings, and I'll tell you why. Signs are really about promotion for the real estate agent. It's how we let other homeowners know that we're in the neighborhood and working hard. Our name is on the sign and our flyers are in the box. So the question becomes, does the sign benefit you as the seller? Now, the truth is, there was a time when buyers would drive around neighborhoods and look for houses, but in today's world, buyers do all their shopping online. So I'm personally not concerned about that kind of exposure. What I am concerned about is a different kind of exposure, that there could be a situation where someone scopes out your house because they saw your for sale sign and they look for a convenient way to break in while you're gone to work. There is some risk when your house goes on the market, and this is why I personally never recommend a for sale sign in the yard, because it alerts those annoying drive-by thieves. Even without a sign, you may have some liability for people tripping or falling when they come to view your house. You may also have a situation where someone steals your medications or personal items during a very busy open house. So whether you have a sign or not, just be sure that you have proper insurance to limit your liability when your house goes on the market. Exposure can make a huge difference when it comes to selling your home for more Remy. I'm just not sure that a sign is what will put the most money in your pocket. It's everything else we do that brings you the most high quality exposure. So that's your tip for today. Thank you for joining Real Estate Unlocked, Your Questions, Our Answers. My name is Remy, like Remy. I'm an award-winning designer, a best-selling author, and a top-producing real estate agent who's worked across 4 states. If you have any questions for the team about mortgages, interest rates, the escrow process, what repairs to do before selling your home and what not to do, staging, tips for selling your home quickly, or how to put more Remy in your pocket when you sell your home, my team is standing by. Simply leave your question in the comments section or contact us through the email address below. We'll typically get you an answer within 24 hours or better. And we look forward to chatting with you soon.